What is the right course of action here? A. The yellow car may proceed ahead of the red car. B. I may proceed ahead of the yellow car. C. I may proceed ahead of the red car. The correct answers are A and C. Since there are no priority signs, the right before left rule applies. The yellow car, on the right of the red car, has priority over the red car. The red car must yield to both you and the yellow car, as it is on the left of both. Therefore, the yellow car and you may proceed before the red car. What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow the motorcycle to pass through. B. The tram must allow me to make the turn first. C. I have to allow the tram to pass through. The correct answers are A and C. You are facing the give-way sign, inverted triangle, meaning you must yield to all traffic on the intersecting priority road. This includes both the motorcycle and the tram. The tram has priority not only because it is on the priority road, but trams generally have priority at intersections unless traffic signs or lights specifically indicate otherwise. What is the right course of action here? A. The motorbike may proceed ahead of the yellow car. B. I may proceed ahead of the yellow car. C. I may proceed ahead of the motorbike. The correct answers are A and B. You and the motorbike are following the main priority road's course. The yellow car is leaving the priority road and must yield to both of you. What is the right course of action here? A. I may be the first to proceed. B. I have to allow the red car to turn. C. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. The correct answer is A. You are driving straight ahead. The red car is turning left, and the cyclist is turning left. Both turning vehicles must yield to you, the vehicle proceeding straight. Therefore, you may be the first to proceed. What is the right course of action here? A. I have to allow the blue truck to pass through. B. I may proceed before the yellow car. C. I have to allow the yellow car to pass through. The correct answers are A and C. You are turning left and must yield to all oncoming traffic. Both the blue truck and the yellow car are oncoming vehicles and have priority over your left turn. What is the right course of action? A. I may drive through. B. I have to allow the blue car to pass through. correct answer is A. You are following the main priority road's course, indicated by the supplementary sign. The blue car is leaving the priority road. Therefore, the blue car must yield to you, and you may drive through first. What is the right course of action here? A. I have to allow the red car to pass through. B. I have to allow the blue car to pass through. C. I have to stop on the stop line. The correct answers are B and C. You must stop on the stop line because you are facing a stop sign. You must also yield to all traffic on the priority road, including the blue car. The red car is also facing a stop sign and must yield to the blue car and any traffic approaching from the left. What is the right course of action? A. I allow the motorcycle to turn before me. B. I allow the blue car to turn. C. I am the first to proceed. The correct answer is B. You are turning left at an uncontrolled intersection. The general right before left rule applies. The blue car is coming from your right and is turning left, so it has priority over you. The motorcycle is on your left and must yield to both you and the blue car. What is the right course of action? A. I have to give way to the red car. B. I have to give way to the tram. C. I may be the first to proceed. The correct answer is C. You are on a priority road. Both the red car and the tram are turning onto or crossing the priority road from a side street. Therefore, they must yield to you, and you may be the first to proceed. What is the right course of action? A. I have to allow right of way to the green car. B. I may drive through. C. I have to allow right of way to the blue car. The correct answer is B. You are following the main priority road's course. Both the green car and the blue car are leaving the priority road. Therefore, they must yield to you, and you may drive through first.